Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself first. My name is Gibran Abdul Khalik and I'm from English Education Department, UN Sunan Gunung Jati Bandung. And my number is 12220400062. Okay, so here I would like to present the title of my research. So the title is The Correlation Between English Speaking Anxiety and Oral Presentation Skills of First Year University Students. Okay, let's move to the next. Okay, so here I put a background. So the background is speaking is one of the most challenging skills for EFL learners, so specifically in academic. So setting that require formal oral presentation, many first year university students experience anxiety when speaking English in front of lecturers and peers. And then this anxiety often affects their fluency, confidence, and organization of ideas, and also overall presentation performance. So as a result, students may fail to demonstrate their true speaking ability despite having sufficient language knowledge. So I took this title is because based from my experience, because the first time I get in the university student, in my first year university student, I always feel like kind of nervous when I do the oral presentation. So that's why I choose this title. And then move to the second one, that is problem identification. So here I try to find out the problem, and here what I found is many first year university students feel nervous, afraid of making mistake, and worried about negative evaluation during oral presentation. And then speaking anxiety becomes a psychological barrier that reduces students confidence and willingness to speak. And then yeah, although overall oral presentation skills are essential in higher education, anxiety related issues and are often overlooked in classroom practice. Okay, move. Okay, here I try to find out the research question, and the research question is there are three. It's because the correlation, so I put it the average and then the significance of correlation. So the first question is, what is the average level of English speaking anxiety among first year university student of the English education department? And then the second one is, what is the average level of oral presentation skills among first year university student of the English education department? And then the third one is, there is a significant correlation between English speaking anxiety and oral presentation skills. That's the research question. And for the research purpose, based from the research question, the first one is to identify the level of English speaking anxiety experienced by first year university student. And then the second one is to determine the level of student oral presentation skill. And then the third one is to examine whether English speaking anxiety is significantly correlated with students oral presentation performance. Okay, the next slide is, there is previous study. So I try to find out the previous study from my research, and here I found the previous study from Gopang et al. 2019, and then Triana Sari 2021, and then Zhang 2022. They report a negative relationship between speaking anxiety and oral performance. And then there are Segar and Sid Ali from 2017 found that students with high anxiety showed weaker fluency, limited vocabulary, and low confidence during presentation. But yeah, however, most studies focus on senior students or general speaking performance rather than first year student oral presentation. Okay, next is the research case. So here what I found from my research and the other research is, most existing research investigates speaking anxiety among advanced or senior university students. So limited attention has been given to first year university students who are still adapting to academic speaking demands. But yeah, this study focused specifically on first year English education students and examines the correlation between speaking anxiety and oral presentation skills in the Indonesian EFL context. Okay, let's move to the conceptual framework here. There are English speaking anxiety or communication apprehension, fear of negative evaluation, and nervousness. And then that is correlate to psychological readiness and confidence. And then it's correlated to oral presentation skill. Can be a fluency, pronunciation, organization confidence, and audience engagement. And then higher anxiety is expected to result in lower oral presentation performance. Okay, here the last one is research methodology. So my research is approach a quantitative research, and for the design, it's quantitative correlation study. And for the participant, yeah, it's basically the first year students of the English education department. And then for the instrument is there are two instruments. So the first one is speaking anxiety questionnaire, so based from FLCAS, and then the second one is oral presentation scoring rubric. And then data analysis, there are descriptive statistic and Pearson product moment correlation using SPSS. Okay, I think that's all what I present for my total of my research. So thank you very much for the attention. My name is Gibran Alcoholic. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.